thank God in a special way for this long pending case. I have full faith and trust in the government, especially in the justice being given by the court. And I want to thank everybody, especially P.I. Baraz, Mr. P.P. Desai, for his support. Our family members who have stood by us.
Additional Session Judge P.V. Savikar, North Goa, MAPSA, had convicted accused, namely Snehal Dias, hailing from Vasco, for committing the murder under Section 302 of IPC. He was sentenced to undergo life imprisonment and to pay a fine of Rs 25,000, or in default, to undergo additional rigorous imprisonment for 2 months. Accused was also held guilty under Section 392, that is offense of robbery. He was sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 5 years, and also fine of Rs 10,000, or to undergo RI for 2 months. If the fine amount is realized from the accused person, same shall be paid to the father of the deceased, Naresh Dourado. I am satisfied with this judgment. A strong message will go to the general public that they should not involve in such heinous crimes.
पुढे श्याम सुंदर फडते.